Hello guys, welcome to Lucky Tech Techniques, and today I'm going to show you on how to download and install Gitbash on Windows. So let's go ahead. uh, go to your browser and write Gitbash. So Gitbash is an application for Microsoft Windows environment which provide an emulation layers for Git. For a Gitbash, for a Git command line experience, Gitbash is an application for Microsoft Windows environment which provide an emulation layer for Git command line experience. Bash is an acronym of Born Again Shell. So a shell is a terminal application used to interface with an operating system through written commands. So simply, this is just an advanced command. It's just like the command prompt or the PowerShell, but it's more advanced with the color scheme and the like. So just follow me along as I show you how to install that. It's very important. Maybe if at all maybe you are running like you need to use with Laravel, because most of Laravel uses a terminal and other things, and like code igniter and the like. So it's more important. Let me just first of all take you to download and install, and we see other importances later. So first of all, go to Gitbash download on your browser, and we have Git here. So just click Git downloads. So we have the latest source release, that is 2.320. We have for all operating system, Mac OS, Windows, Linux. So I'm going for Windows. So it's around 47 MB. So just say start download, and let's wait. Fine, it's done now. So the download is complete. So let's open. Now let's let's click yes here, and this is now the agreement. Just click next, and to continue, click next. If you would like to select a different folder, click browse. So I think let's leave by the default, so just click next, and here select the components you want to install, clear the components you do not want to install, click next when you are ready to continue. I think I'm ready to continue, and just click next, and continue, click next. If you would like to select a different folder, click browse. I don't want to select a different folder, then just click next, and click next here. Let Git decide. This one, adjust the name of the initial branch that's in the new repositories. Let Git decide. Click just next, and you can see adjustment in your path. This one says Git from the command line and also third-party softwares. fine, let me just say next, and use the open shell, fine, good, say next, use, just click next again, default password, yes, click next, and git credentials manager, git credential manager deprecated, let's go by default, next, enable file system caching, yes, click next, next again, and configuring experimental option, these features are developed actively, would you like to try them? I don't like to try them, let me click install. So it's almost done, it's actually extracting files, so we must be patient a little bit. It's done, and now click finish to exit the setup, but I need to launch this one, and but I don't want the release notes, and click finish, so that one will launch Gitbash. Wow, so this is all about Gitbash. So for example, let me use it as a terminal in Windows. Let me say, for example, I need to go to downloads, just say change directory, that's now CD, and then desktop, we are now on the directory of desktop. Let me see what's in the desktop, just say list ls, and you see everything. When I say ls and press enter, you see like I have all these files on my desktop. When I need to go back, for example, I just say cd and then to hyphen like that, and then press enter, we are back to our previous directory like that. Now that's all about Gitbash. Enjoy using the software, and kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so as you can get notified whenever I upload any video on this channel. Thank you very much.